Losing weight has never been easy. If it were, everybody would be as skinny as Kendall Jenner. But sadly, that's not the case. You need to put in the work from exercising to following strict diets before achieving your dream bod. Weight loss has a lot of other side effects aside from your clothes suddenly becoming loose. One of these is hair loss, especially when you lose drastic amounts of fats from your body. And believe me, this really happens. Tendencies are you lack nutrients or you stress yourself too much because of a lot of food restrictions. Whatever the reason might be, we're here to help you lessen the chances that something similar would happen to you with Hair Loss Treatment. Healthy tips for strong hair. Hi there! Looking for something fun and healthy? Come and be in your best shape with us. Welcome to Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we go on our fitness journey one step at a time. I am Mrs. Blue, here to give you another health episode concerning your hair. Regardless of gender, people really give importance to how their hair looks, mainly because it is one of the highly noticeable features of our body. Some are not comfortable to go outside knowing that their hair is undone. If you're that type of person, continue watching. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell beside it to keep you notified on how to lose weight and stay healthy. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Number 1. Use a hat or umbrella to protect your hair. Our hair is susceptible to infections and dryness when not given proper protection against the sun, wind, and rain. Being exposed too much to natural and man-made heat, dirt, and pollution increases the chances of having an unhealthy scalp and hair follicles. So, in order to prevent these from happening, you need to carry a hat or umbrella whenever you plan to go outside during a sunny or rainy day. Number 2. Deal with your wet hair gently. You might not know this yet, but our hair breaks easier when wet compared to dry. In fact, it's very fragile, making its shaft and roots more prone to sustaining damage. Remember to apply your shampoo gently to avoid breakage, and refrain from brushing your hair right after a shower. However, if you really need to, try using a shower cap instead. Number 3. Apply conditioner regularly. This is going to be pretty short. Just a reminder to apply a moisturizing conditioner to your hair regularly to avoid frizz. Most importantly, make sure to do it the correct way, meaning you'll be needing to apply conditioner about 2 inches away from your scalp. Hair conditioners are meant for the hair shaft, not directly on the scalp. Do this to prevent experiencing oily hair. Number 4. Pick a shampoo and conditioner in the same brand. This might sound like a marketing strategy, but this isn't, believe me. When choosing which conditioner and shampoo to use, go for the same brands. Why? Because they underwent the same process and contain the exact same formulation for a specific hair type and purpose. The conditioner will work well with the formulation made in the shampoo, and vice versa. Number 5. Don't abuse your hair with heat. When I say heat, I'm not talking about the heat from the sun, but heat coming from hair dryers and flat irons. These take away moisture from your hair, making it dry, frizzy, or worse, burnt. Don't ever ask why your hair is hard to manage if you use hair dryers every single day. Best piece of advice? Let your hair dry the natural way, or only use straighteners and dryers when needed and with precaution. Number 6. Don't tie or braid your hair too tight. If you're fond of tight hair ties, it's time to dispose of those. Instead, use scrunchies that are more hair-friendly because of the presence of cloth around it. Number 7. Refrain from wearing braids at night. To avoid hair tangling, some people choose to braid their hair during the night. This is a clever hack, but don't do it tightly. Make sure to leave some open spaces to let your hair breathe. Not literally, but you get what I mean. I suggest to braid your hair loosely at night to prevent overbrushing the next day. Number 8. Use cold instead of hot water for your hair. When you take a bath or simply wash your hair, use cold or warm water. Why do we need to avoid using hot water? Mainly because it opens up our hair cuticles and the pores on the epidermis. Obviously, overly hot water could damage our hair. Therefore, it's advisable to use warm water for shampooing and rinse with cold water. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends who experience the same problem. Let's help each other to achieve our dream mean girl hair flip. Number 9. Apply oil to your scalp frequently. Oiling your hair is one of the oldest remedies for healthier hair. Apply warm olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil to your hair and massage your scalp gently and thoroughly. Make sure to apply sufficient amounts only. Excessive oil in your hair will be hard to rinse off with shampoo. Leave it on your hair for an hour and then proceed to washing it with shampoo. Number 10. Refrain from using too many products. Your hair can only handle so much product, and too much of it may lead to unpleasant outcomes. Prioritize necessary products like shampoo, conditioner, and serum, and disregard any other products that you don't need. Aside from the damage it brings your hair, these chemicals are also bad for the environment. Just imagine the number of factories that produced these unnatural products and how it affects the environment. Yep, it looks really bad. So if I were you, I'll start to moderate my usage of such products and resort to natural remedies that are way more effective than others. Let's maintain our hair naturally. Number 11. Know what brushes or combs your hair can manage. Choose a brush or comb that matches your hair, like a wide tooth comb that is good to use in the morning when your hair is pretty tangled, and barber combs suitable for men. Don't hesitate to spend more money on a high-quality brush because it massages your scalp and helps it to relax. Clean your brushes and combs on a regular basis, and don't share it with other people to avoid passing on dandruff and scalp infections. We don't want that, do we? If you're having a sleepover, remind your guests to bring their own combs or store some extra in your drawers just in case. How about you? What do you do to keep your hair healthy? Let us know in the comment section below. Having trouble on which hairstyle to try for Girls' Night Out? Feel free to check out our video. Want to achieve a sleek bun? 20 hacks for natural hair journey. Feel free to visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram account, Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we share motivational quotes to help people go through their fitness journey with a positive mindset. That is all for today. Again, I am Mrs. Blue. Don't forget, walk on your fitness journey one step at a time. Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, your health gurus, will see you in the next one. Bye!